The Kerr County Sheriff. Before I get in my notes, I want to address a couple of things. Obviously, there's been some alerts going on the phone. We are checking. We have checked one. We're in the process of checking the other one. What we know on the flood warning on 1340, FM 1340, that is inaccurate. There is no water coming down 1340. We have confirmed that. On Johnson Creek, there is a rise there. That rise could put 1 to 2 feet into the Guadalupe River. We will be staying on top of that. As we're here, we will definitely stay on top of that. I want to use this as a good example. We get asked constantly about volunteers. You know, we got volunteers, we got this. This is a perfect example where this could hinder us. We are pulling our assets out of there right now to be safe. We'll determine when it's safe again to put them back in there. But this is one time we wouldn't be able to contact all these volunteers and get them out of there. So please understand that and please pass that message. We have a ton of resources here. I can make a phone call and get a ton more here. We have all the resources, all the equipment, all the manpower, all the food we need, okay? Please help me pass that message on. We do have it under control. So now as we get into my notes, search and rescue operations continue with a full response from local, state, and national first responders. We continue to have hundreds of officers, deputies, and to support our staff working every aspect of this emergency along with air, water, canine, and other assets conducting search and rescue. As of 1:30, we have recorded 68 deceased in Kerr County. Among those who are deceased, we have 40 adults and 28 children. 18 adults are pending identification and 18 adults are pending identification and 10 children are also pending identification. Once again, pending identification are 18 adults and 10 children. At present, there are 10 Camp Mystic campers unaccounted for and 1 counselor. We continue to offer our condolences to those affected, and we will work tirelessly till we reunite them with their families. We know there are many people concerned that are affected by this tragic situation. Please be careful about social media rumors and misinformation. False information can cause pain to families and those already devastated by this event. Please follow the Kerrville Police Department, our Kerr County Sheriff's Office Facebook for verified information. Please do that. All of our information put out is verified. Please note that Highway 39 west of Ingram is closed to the public. We are closing that for temporary. That is only for law enforcement resources right now. We had some issues, the public out there parking on the road, we can't get by going through stuff. Highway 39 is closed to the public. Our missing phone call center is open to those reporting missing loved ones. The phone number for that is 830-258-1111. That's the same number we've had, 830-258-1111. At this time, I'm going to turn it over to Dalton Rice.
Thank you, Sheriff. Again, welcome. We appreciate your patience. Obviously, we want to make sure that we have the safety of our responders, at the forefront of this, so we can continue to do search and rescue operations. First and foremost, our hearts are with the families and loved ones affected by this heartbreaking tragedy. Our entire focus at this time is on the search and reunification efforts for those remained unaccounted for. That is where our energy, our resources, and our attention are directed. Nothing is more important than bringing comfort and clarity to those who are waiting and grieving. We know questions are being asked about the emergency notification, and while it is not the time to speculate, local and regional partners are committed to a full review of the events and systems in place. At the appropriate time, we will take clear steps to strengthen our future preparedness. We owe that commitment to the families who are suffering and to every member of our community. We know many in our community are beginning the cleanup process and figuring out what's needed, whether it's clothes, toothbrushes, other essentials, or cleaning supplies. The City of Kerrville is coordinating with our regional and state partners, State Health and Human Services Commission, the Department of State Health Services Public Health Region 8, and Texas Division of Emergency Management are working to set up a family assistance care center where flood survivors can have the ability to access these supplies. We'll share more details as soon as they're available. And with that, I'll bring up Mayor Herring for information on how you can donate now.
Thank you for being here. I'm Joe Herring, Jr., Mayor of the City of Kerrville. Our work continues. Trained experts and professionals from the City of Kerrville, from Kerr County, from state agencies and federal agencies are all working together with one goal. That is to to rescue those in peril and find those who are missing. I repeat what I said this morning. Even though different groups and different agencies are involved in the Emergency Operations Center, we are all working as one team. We want to achieve our goal of helping those who've been affected by this flood. Today I learned that another helping hand has joined the fray. HEB is setting up a mobile kitchen in Ingram. And when that kitchen is set up, it will be able to feed a lot of hungry people in the Hunt and Ingram area. If you want more information about that, just go to heb.com, /newsroom. Countless other local businesses are stepping up, they are finding needs, and they are meeting them. Now, how can you help? If you would like to make a financial donation, we recommend that you go to the Community Foundation of the Texas Hill Country. They have set up a portal to receive donations. That would be communityfoundation.net. People across our community, across our state, across the world have been responding to that request. If you would like to volunteer, the city has set up a partnership with our local Kerrville Salvation Army at the Kroc Center. The number to call to register to help or to donate is 830-465-4797. And when I say donate, in-kind donations. For full updates, verified updates, please follow the City of Kerrville Facebook page. Under Facebook, it's called City of Kerrville-City Hall. Finally, as I've said every time I've been before you, please pray for our community. I believe in prayer, and prayers have been answered. Thank you. And now Dalton Rice will come back up.
All right, at this time, we will take 4 questions. Tammy Prout with Hill Country.
Yes, can you tell me, we talked a lot about the good and the bad things, the recovery, but how many rescues are you at? And of the kids that were in the camps that you couldn't get to, that were safe that you couldn't get to, are they all evacuated?
I'm actually going to turn that one over to the sheriff, if that's okay. You have those numbers a little bit better.
Sorry, Tammy, again, please.
So how many rescues? You were at 850 a couple days ago, and then we had the camps that you couldn't get to the campers, and they were going to be evacuated. I suspect they're all gone, but have you gotten them all out?
Yeah, included in that 850 that we put out is the campers. All the campers are out and safe. A lot of them have been reunited at this time. Yes, ma'am. Oh, sorry.
Leslie McClure.
Ingram Dam. You guys got any updates on Ingram Dam?
We have no updates on Ingram Dam at this time. Amanda Henderson, KHOU.
I'm with CBS News, and she stepped up for a story, but we talked to several people in this community who say they got no emergency alerts whatsoever. Governor Abbott, in his press release, just placed the responsibility on the local agencies. So just, I know you're focusing on victims right now, but yes or no, did local agencies send out any emergency alerts, blares, sirens of any kind?
No, I know you guys keep asking this question. You know, we appreciate it. We think it's important. We don't want to speculate. You know, at this time, we know there's a lot of speculation and question around it. Again, there's going to be a full review, you know, of this so we can make sure that we focus on future preparedness. We just, again, we want to continue to focus on the families at this time, and so we're getting through that. So thank you. Leah Waldman, CNN. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. With focus on families here, we know that there was a National Weather Service alert issued on Thursday afternoon talking about these flood watches and issuing Kerr County as a high-risk area overnight. Why not preemptively evacuate these camps? You said earlier that was a good question. Maybe you tell me the answer.
Yeah, no, again, it is still a great question. And when you looked at the National Weather Service notification when you look at that map showed Kerr County kind of in the northeast corner, and that spread all the way through San Angelo. So there's a lot of information. That's a wide area that must be addressed. And so as we were, preparing for it, unfortunately, the rain hit at the most inopportune time, and right in the most inopportune areas where the North and South Fork hit. It converged, and so here we are. So again, we want to continue to focus on those rescue operations, and at that, we're not taking any more questions. Thank you.
Thank you. That's going to do it for this afternoon. The next time that we'll be in front of the cameras are going to be 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, unless there is a major development where we need to speak to you sooner. And we will use the sign-up sheet and the contact information that y'all have provided to us to reach out to you and let you know time and place. Other than that, unless you do not, if you don't hear from us, 10 o'clock in the morning, right back here. Thank y'all so much.